Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, it is a anti-fatigue mat. This is comfort all day. You're not gonna be standing on it all day. Non-slip, waterproof, easy to clean. All right, so let's open it up. Open it. There's an odor as soon as you open it. And here's some more information. You have any problem with anything? Yeah, this definitely got to sit out. This is odor. Seems very comfortable. Yeah, good size to stand on. Some from the grip on the bottom here. Be nice if it was like reversible. No, that's fine. You can have it this way. And yeah, that is the mats. If you're interested in this mat, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.